Hey, what's going on guys? This is Bicky here again, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make $2,000 per commission using this high ticket affiliate program. Okay, so guys, before I show you how you can get this system set up, let me show you the results that I'm getting and other people are getting. Okay, so as you can see here guys, $2,000 payment. Okay, so I got this $2,000 commission from just one single sale using this system. Okay, and then I got another payment of $2,000, and this $400 was from some other system. So that day I got $2,400 in total. Okay, and then here is another person, he made $2,000 as well. As you can see here, $2,000 payday. And then here is another person, $2,000 one sale, as you can see here. So this person, he also got $2,000 commission from just one single sale. Okay, so guys, for some of you who wanna just skip this overview video, simply go ahead and click the link below and you will land on this page. Okay, fill this information and follow the step ahead. Okay, so now let's move to the actual review video. So guys, this system, it's called Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, and this GLN is the short form of the Genesis Lifestyle Network. So once you land on this page, simply click on this green button. It says create your account today. So once you will click on this green button, you will land on this page. Okay, so simply fill your information, fill your first name, last name, email, phone number, then click on I am not robot, and then click here to create your account. So once you will click here, you will land on this page. Okay, this is the bonus page. Okay, so guys, for those of you who are wondering what are the products that you are buying. Okay, so like if you click on core products here, it will show you what are the products that you are buying under each package. So like under the beginner package, it's $50 license fee. It's a one-time fee. Okay, and the $25 is the annual fee, and it pays 30% commission. But what I did and what you have to do as well is simply scroll down at the bottom. Okay, and you will see mastery package. So guys, mastery package is just one time fee of $2,000 and $399 annual fee. Okay, and it pays 100% commission, and these are the products that it offers under the mastery package. Okay, as you can see here, so these are the products under the mastery package. So if I talk about the compensation plan, like if I click here on compensation plan, you can see under the mastery package, it pays 100% commission. Okay, which means that when you make a $2,000 sale, you earn $2,000. Okay, that's how I'm getting this $2,000 commission, and that's how these people are getting this $2,000 commission as well. Okay, so what you're gonna do is once you create your account here, okay, you will see this page. This is called bonus page. So as you can see here, bonus number 4, it says free system setup, which means that if you are non-technical, if you are not computer savvy, the company team does the system setup for you. Okay, and it becomes very easy to get the system set up, and this bonus is available at the mastery package. Okay, and then at the mastery package, they also offer 200 bonus clicks to your affiliate link, so you can get faster lead and sales from this system. Okay, and the good thing is, other than these 200 clicks, what I'm doing is I'm also offering you 300 clicks at the mastery package. Okay, as a bonus. So I will buy 300 clicks to your affiliate link from my side. Okay, which is the bonus at the mastery package. So guys, what you want to do is once you land on this page, you have to upgrade your account at the mastery package. Okay, and once you have upgraded your account to the mastery package, then what you will do is simply click on setup system here, and you will see step 1, step 2. So click on a step 1 and watch this short video. Okay, and then click on a step 2. Okay, and simply follow these easy steps. Okay, and if I show on the step 5, so step 5 is the place where you gotta set up your payment system. Okay, so this is where you will set up your Cash App, Gel, PayPal, Stripe, Venmo, whatever payment method you want to add, you can add them inside the system. Okay, so that's how when the sale will happen, you will get your commission paid in that payment method. Okay, so guys, once your system is set up, you're gonna click on Central Hub here. Okay, and then you will click on resources here, and as you can see here it says affiliate URL. So you will click on affiliate URLs, and here you can grab your affiliate link. Okay, and this is one of the sales page that they provide. Okay, so they provide multiple landing pages, and this is just one of them. Okay, so this is the place where you will be sending the traffic. I will be sending 300 clicks to your affiliate link, and the system will send 200 clicks to your affiliate link as well. Okay, and when people will buy, you will get the commissions. And guys, other than this free bonus clicks, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you one-on-one Zoom call with me. Okay, and this will be on Zoom or on Messenger, whatever would be easier for you. Okay, and my third bonus is my GLN review video as yours. Okay, so basically guys, what I'll do is I will give you this video that you are watching without my face. Okay, and that raw video you can upload it on your YouTube page, and once this video will be on your YouTube channel, you will get the traffic and you will make sales from YouTube as well. Okay, so these are the three help that I am doing from my side for you, so that you can get faster lead and sales and make the $2,000 commission like these people and like me. Okay, so yeah guys, if you want to make these commissions, this big $2,000 commission, okay, then simply go ahead, click the link below, you will land on this page. Okay, and then create your account on Genesis Lifestyle Network. Okay, and then message me, okay, on Facebook, and I will provide your bonus. Okay, so go ahead, follow this step 1 and then follow this step 2, and you will be good to go to make these big commissions.